How you guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to easily replace broken or lost plastic pins inside the window switches on Alfa Romeo GT and 147. I'm going to take the top off just to show you how they work. Alright, here it is. Now under each of these buttons for windows there are two of them plastic pins, which are basically pressing the buttons on the circuit board on the other side. Now under the button for electric review mirrors there are four pins and they are a bit longer. Now I'm gonna take the window switches apart all the way and we're gonna pull out the plastic pins. For this I'm gonna use my small flathead screwdriver and I'm gonna start right here on the side. I'm gonna push the plastic up off of these plastic clips. There's our circuit board, and on this top part you got these small plastic pins. Now I've actually lost one of these and I'm gonna show you how I easily replaced it. This is the one that I made. I don't know if you can recognize it, but it is the top part of the nail. I've basically cut it to measure from this plastic pin. The plastic pin is a bit thicker, however that doesn't play any role. I've been using this piece for quite a while and I didn't have any issues. In case you've broken one of these larger pins for button for review mirrors, you can basically just use this type of nail and cut it to measure and you are basically done. You can see how well nail matches the plastic piece. Anyway, that would be all for this video. Hope you find it useful, and if you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.